Skylar. Oh, yes, you. Oh, yes. My lightsaber arm is missing. Now I need to use my left arm.
Get him.
Skylar can't be beat. Skylar.
Skylar can't be beat.
Okay, he can't be beat. Skylar's pretty good. Yeah.
Well, of course he is. He fights me.
He cut off my arm.
Go, Skylar. Get him.
Oh, I got you. I got your leg.
Go get him.
I feel C-3PO. I got you all the way. Okay, 5-minute penalty. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got Skylar. Skylar's dead.
This is Luke Skywalker.
Luke Skywalker. PFF. I said PFF. Luke Skywalker.
Oh no, Skylar's cutting off his own hand.
Watch out for him. Oh, Skylar. Don't hit him hard and aim for the lightsaber.
Yeah, just aim for the lightsaber. He don't know what he's doing.
You can lose mine.
Oh, you're gonna give him the little one?
Give me the red one. Give me the red one. I'm the master. Okay, now you're the master. All right.
Get him, Sky. Get him.
Oh, now you can turn mine.
Ooh, he's got. Look at him holding it.
I need to go check in quickly, so it's time out.
Okay, go ahead.
Time out. Okay.
That's it. I battle you. Skylar.
Oh yeah. Can I ask you something?
What?
Skylar? Can I see the Skylar? Okay, we're gonna go back out. Okay. No, Skylar, we're gonna go back out.
You all done?
You can let him have it.
Well, no, he doesn't have to have it. Let him play with it.
Here, you can have it. Come on. Me, you. Hey, and Skylar, you can take it. I got 2.
You can mess with Skylar. He's coming after you, I think.
You wanna go to the park? Well, can he go to the park?